Are you looking for the best soldering extraction tools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best soldering extraction tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Teachlead Steel Chip Extraction Tool. The Teachlead Chip Extraction Tool is a convenient tool designed for picking up various chips and integrated blocks. With a total size of 100 by 49 mm, this tool is compact and easy to handle. The package includes 2 black chip extraction tools, allowing users to have a spare or share with others. The tool features a spring-assisted design, which makes it easier to remove PLCC from the substrate without damaging any IC conductors. This is especially useful for motherboard repairs, microcontroller projects, and programming tasks. With the Teachlead Chip Extraction Tool, you can effortlessly remove chips and integrated blocks, saving you time and effort in your electronic projects. Up next in the 4th place is the Leifi PLCC IC Chip Extractor. The Leifi IC Chip Extractor is a handy tool designed for professional repairmen and IC workers. It includes a U-shape extractor and a PLCC IC extractor, both made of metal and shielded plastic to prevent static charge damage to IC components. The U-shape extractor is perfect for pulling IC chips on circuit boards, while the PLCC IC extractor is a spring-assisted tool specifically designed for the removal of PLCC. With these extractors, you can easily and safely extract IC chips from circuit boards without causing any damage. Whether you are a TV, DVD, PC repairman or an IC worker, the Leifi IC Chip Extractor is an essential tool for your repair and extraction needs. The 3rd product on our list is the PAGOW Stainless Steel IC Chip Extractor Tool. The PAGOW Stainless Steel IC Chip Extractor Tool is a high-quality spring-assisted extraction tool made of stainless steel and covered with PVC insulated enclosure. Its wide application makes it perfect for removing PLCC from motherboards, microcontrollers, programmers, and more. With its design, it can easily remove PLCC from the substrate without damaging any IC conductors. Each pack includes 2 black PLCC IC extractors, and its size is 100 by 49 mm divided by 3. 9-4 zone, 9-3. Second on our list is the OK Industries Extraction Tool. The OK Industries DIP IC Extraction Tool is a convenient tool for extracting DIP IC chips from sockets, as well as LSI, MSI, and SSI devices, made of durable spring steel. This 4-inch tool is designed to handle chips with 8 to 24 pins. With its insulated features, it provides added safety during the extraction process. The OK Industries Extraction Tool is a must-have for any electronics enthusiast or professional who frequently works with DIP IC chips. Its high-quality material ensures longevity and reliability, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional. This extraction tool will make your chip extraction tasks easier and more efficient. Finally, the top product on our list is the Mr. Gasket 40011G Weatherpack Toolkit. The Mr. Gasket Weatherpack Toolkit is a versatile toolset designed for the assembly and removal of Weatherpack and O-style electrical connectors. It includes a pin extraction tool, a 0.050 narrow pick, and a 0.090 wide pick. With these tools, you can easily connect and disconnect wires from Weatherpack connectors. The pin extraction tool allows you to safely remove pins without damaging the connectors. The narrow pick is perfect for working with smaller connectors, while the wide pick is ideal for larger connectors. This toolkit is a must-have for anyone working with electrical connectors, providing convenience and efficiency in your projects. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.